Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of smart wearables with a deep dive into the RingConn Gen 2 smart ring. Now, if you're someone who's into tracking your health and fitness but doesn't want to wear a bulky smartwatch, this little device might be exactly what you're looking for. But is it truly effective, and does it bring something new to the table? Let's find out as we explore its features, functionality, and real-life performance. Stick around to see if this smart ring is worth the hype. First things first, let's talk design. The RingConn Gen 2 is sleek, subtle, and designed to look just like a regular ring. It's available in a few different sizes and finishes, so it should fit comfortably on most fingers. Despite being packed with technology, it's lightweight and doesn't feel intrusive, which is a big plus if you're wearing it daily. Compared to bulky fitness trackers, this discreet form factor is definitely appealing, especially for anyone who wants to keep their tech low profile. Moving on to features, the RingConn Gen 2 really shines when it comes to health tracking. This ring offers a range of metrics, including heart rate, sleep quality, body temperature, and even stress levels. It's all about giving you a complete picture of your wellness in a simple, accessible way. The sleep tracking, in particular, is highly accurate, breaking down your sleep stages and providing feedback that can help you adjust your routine for better rest. The ring also monitors your heart rate variability, HRV, which is a solid indicator of stress and overall fitness levels. It can even send gentle reminders throughout the day to help you manage stress. So if you're looking for a compact way to keep tabs on your health and improve your daily habits, the RingConn Gen 2 has got you covered. Alright, but how does it perform in real life? Well, we took the RingConn Gen 2 for a spin over several days, tracking daily activities, sleep patterns, and overall wellness. One of the standout features is its battery life. Unlike most smartwatches that need frequent charging, the RingConn Gen 2 lasts up to 7 days on a single charge. Plus, when it's time to recharge, the ring's charging cradle is quick and convenient, allowing you to power up in just an hour or two. Throughout testing, we found the ring's tracking data to be pretty accurate. Heart rate monitoring works seamlessly, and sleep tracking provided deep insights that were easy to understand and act upon. It's like having a fitness coach right on your finger. Let's talk about the app experience. The RingConn app pairs smoothly with the ring, offering a user-friendly interface that organizes your health data in a way that's easy to read and interpret. You'll see daily, weekly, and monthly trends, helping you stay on top of your wellness goals. The app also includes personalized tips based on your data, which is a great touch if you're looking to improve specific areas of your health, like sleep quality or stress management. Now, let's break down the pros and cons of the RingConn Gen 2. On the plus side, it's incredibly convenient, discreet, and comfortable to wear all day and night. Its tracking capabilities are extensive, covering everything from heart rate to sleep and stress, making it a comprehensive health tool in a tiny package. Battery life is also a big win, lasting several days without needing a recharge. On the downside, there's a learning curve to interpreting some of the health metrics if you're new to wearable tech. Additionally, while the RingConn app is well designed, it's currently available only on select mobile platforms, which may limit accessibility for some users. Finally, the ring doesn't offer detailed fitness tracking for specific activities like running or cycling, so if you're looking for a workout-focused wearable, this might not be ideal. So, is the RingConn Gen 2 smart ring worth it? If you're looking for a low-profile, highly functional wearable that prioritizes health over fitness tracking, this ring is a fantastic choice. It offers a unique, discreet way to stay on top of your wellness without strapping on a bulky device. It's a stylish addition that works for both tech enthusiasts and wellness beginners alike. Thanks for watching today's review. If you're interested in more wearable tech reviews, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Drop any questions or thoughts you have in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and keep exploring the latest in tech.